Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to our next lecture in the series that we have started very recently for IBPS AFO 2020-21 mains exam. And today's lecture it's on agriculture or important agriculture days. So friends, before starting with the session, I have a small announcement. We at EduTap, we are going to launch courses for AFO 2020 very soon. For further any details or queries, you can visit our site www.edutap.co.in. So now let's start with the session. So friends, the first question goes like this: World Milk Day is celebrated on which of the following days? See, World Milk Day is celebrated on June 1st every year, and this has been initiated by Food and Agricultural Organization since 2001. So the theme for 2020 World Milk Day is drink milk today and every day. Not only World Milk Day, India also celebrates exclusively National Milk Day of India on 26th November. This is in memory of, father of white revolution, that is late Mr. Varghese Kurian. So it's his birthday on 26th November. So it is being celebrated as National Milk Day of India. So friends, next question is World Pulses Day is celebrated on. This is celebrated on Feb 10th. And to create an awareness about the importance of pulses in our diet, this day has been created, and every Feb 10th we celebrate World Pulses Day. So friends, this World Pulses Day has been initiated by Food and Agriculture Organization since 2019. See, in the year 2016, this year was declared as the International Year of Pulses. So during that time, they have taken a slogan, Plant Proteins for a Sustainable Future. This was done by UN General Assembly, that is United Nations organizations, and they have taken a slogan, plant proteins for a sustainable future. So what they have done is the same slogan they have adapted as a theme for the year 2019, and the same has been adapted for as a theme for 2020 as well. And for in the year 2019, on 10th February, the first World Pulses Day was celebrated. So friends, next question goes like this: World Soil Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the correct answer is December 5th. It is celebrated as World Soil Day. And this has been initiated by Food and Agricultural Organization since 2014. And the theme for World Soil Day that is about to come is Keep Soil Alive, Protect Soil Biodiversity. So this soil day is celebrated to focus the importance of healthy soil for healthy growth of plants, on which again human beings are dependent, thereby again the entire food chain that starts from soil itself. So this is why to create an awareness about soil, importance of soil in our lives, this has been started in the year 2014, and first official World Soil Day was celebrated on 5th December 2014. So friends, next question goes like this: World Food Day is celebrated on which of the following days? This has been celebrated very recently, and this was celebrated on October 16th, and every year it is celebrated on October 16th, and this again is initiated by Food and Agriculture Organization since 1981, and the theme of World Food Day 2020 is Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our actions are our future, and this is celebrated to focus attention on agricultural food production, and also to encourage participation of rural women and the least privileged categories in agriculture food production, along with creating public awareness about the increasing menace or problem of hunger in this world. So on 16th October 1981, first official World Food Day was celebrated. So friends, next question is World Coconut Day is celebrated on which of these following days? And it is celebrated on September 2nd. See, this day was created, to create an awareness about coconuts and their nutritional value in our diet. So friends, this World Coconut Day was initiated by Asian and Pacific Coconut Community, that is Jakarta, Indonesia, since 2009. And the theme for 2020 World Coconut Day, which was celebrated very recently, that is on 2nd September, is Invest in Coconut to Save the World. And as I mentioned earlier, this is to create the importance of coconuts and its nutrition value in our diets. So friends, here comes answer of the day for the question of the day of the previous lecture, and the question was International Irrigation Management Institute is located at which place? And this is located or headquartered in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and it is an international organization that works to solve water problems in developing countries by interacting with various countries governments in this world. And this is also a CGIAR research center and leads the CGIAR research program on water, land and ecosystem. CGIAR is nothing but it's a collective group of few various countries in this world that work for some problem and try to create a solution for that. So here Dr. Mark Smith is the Director General of IWMI, that is International Water Management Institute. So friends, question of the day for this lecture is, when is National Panchayat Raj Day celebrated in India? So thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please write to us at hello@edutap.co.in, and if you have any queries you can even reach us at the number given here. Thank you very much.